So this is the third class, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the second class we handle level trading, I guess.
Yeah, that was it.
Okay,
On
so
how to trade on important.
okay, to trade on important levels
Yeah.
using TLC, TROC.
TROC, and as well as in you touched the momentum candle.
Okay.
Mm.
So how were you able to do something since I couldn't take anything yesterday?
Yeah, I did. I did. Although I don't know if it's in my car. I don't know if it is my confidence level has just dropped or there. But after my this thing dropped. Well, I did try like this morning. I took some trade on that momentum candle, which I saw few. I saw one. I used it. I went with it after momentum in a SNR now. After I formed, I saw it. I took the trade. It went accordingly. But I was trying to combine other to see if I can combine it on any other technique, but I couldn't. Hello?
I'm listening.
Okay.
I've not really thought to momentum.
Okay.
Have I?
No, but you mentioned it as a kind of a momentum trend. You pointed out something I should watch out.
Yes.
Okay.
But I expected it to just practice the level trading and see what you can do with that.
Okay.
Because my goal when I take one-on-one is not just to give you a straight 4 days training like that, giving you the strategies. It's also part of the fact that I want to take some trade and then see it and send me the screenshot of the trade that you have taken. So that because the classes, when we talk, they are quite different from when we start acting. When we start acting, emotions are involved, and that is where we need to build confidence.
Yeah.
So we want a situation where we don't just end in talking theory. We have to also do something. So how we expect you to take some trade and see, at that level.
Yeah.
Okay. So right now you can't say you have any question concerning level trading.
No.
Not done it.
No question.
Okay, so since I've mentioned momentum, then we're just going to do a short momentum class this morning. Then you have to take you have to take 10 trades and send to me with a screenshot of momentum and level trading. So let's look into momentum. Okay, so momentum it's just strength. Just in physics, when you say momentum in physics, you're talking about strength. Okay, so there is a momentum trend and there are momentum candles. When we say momentum trend, we talk about a situation where there's a lot of strength in the market. If you say momentum trend, you see if it's a selling bearish momentum trend, you are going to see all the candles sellers. Then if you see a buy momentum trend, we are going to see candles all buys. Okay, so momentum basically talks about strength in the market. This is momentum. So there are some momentum candles. Those candles also shows a lot of strength in the market. So, and what we use in defining those momentum candles is the close of the candle.
Yeah.
Close of the candle. That's what we use in defining the momentum in the market. For instance, Let's take this one. This candle, even this candle before it, because there is no rejection at the top. This is the close. There is no rejection at the top. So these two candles, they are momentum candles. They are buying momentum candles.
Okay.
Buying momentum candles. So let's look for seller's momentum. Seller's momentum also means at the close of the candle, there is no buyer present there. The market here is bad. Okay, let me check another trend. Okay, see one here. This is one. At the close of this candle, okay, there is no rejection there. So you know that in a selling candle, the candle will close down. In a buying candle, the candle will close up. Okay?
Yeah.
So when I'm talking about the close of the candle, I'm talking about where the candle has closed. This is where this candle closed. There is no rejection. This candle close here. This candle close here. Okay. Buyer candle close up. Seller's candle close down. Okay. So even if you see buyer, see seller's candle, no rejection at the top, or you are not interested with that. You are only interested with the rejection at the close here. If there is no rejection, then it's a momentum candle. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this momentum candle, we trade it in the market in two places in the market. We trade it at SNR level. We trade momentum at SNR level, just like the way we have level trading, which is at important area. We look for confirmation, then you go with the trade. This one, we trade it at SNR level. Then we also trade it in the middle of the trend. But in the middle of the trend, there are two types of trend that we have to trade it. There is a momentum trend, and there is a normal trend. Because the strategy you apply in the momentum trend is a little bit different from the normal trend. Trading the same momentum candle. Okay? So let's now look into how to apply trading momentum SNR level. Now, when you're going to trade momentum at SNR level, the rules are very simple. You can see this is a level.
Yeah.
Then at a level, what you look for is very similar to level trading, just that that's just a little different. At that, in level trading, you look for touch, then you look for R, then you look for C.
See.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
in momentum trading at SNR level, only SNR level, there must be a touch. Okay. After touch, if you see a reversal candlestick, good. But if you don't see a reversal candlestick and you see a momentum immediately, go. Do you understand?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
At
But
SNR
not in this situation that the close candle is equal to the previous candle.
this one,
Yeah.
because
I thought the momentum would be a little, let's say, half of the candle now, in order to
when
follow
it
it.
comes to momentum, the size of the candle, it doesn't really matter. The only place it matters is when the momentum candle is the biggest candle within a very short period. If this candle is short like this candle is short like this, then this momentum candle is big, then you will not go. But because there are big candles already. So this one is big. It's not even as big as this. That is why you go with the next candle. Are you there?
Yeah. Yeah.
So in a momentum at SNR level, the moment you get to SNR level, it is preferably if you see a reversal candlestick. And most time you are going to see a reversal candlestick. Then after that reversal, if you see a momentum candle, so that momentum candle is like your confirmation. Okay? So if you see a momentum candle at that SNR level, you just go with the next candle. Because you're already seeing that there is a reversal, then, and I told you that it is called strength. And you are seeing a candle without a rejection. So it's telling you that the strength of reversal is very strong. You just go.
Okay.
Are you getting the point?
Yeah.
It's very simple. So it's very simple. And the psychology behind it also is very, very understandable. So the moment you come into that SNR area, the SNR area is an area where you expect a reversal. So, and the candle has touched it, and you are now seeing a reversal candlestick. Then after reversal candle, you are now seeing a momentum candle like this. Whether short like this or like this, just go with the candle.
Okay.
Go with the next candle, because that momentum candle is already telling you that, hey, sellers have entered, and the strength of sellers is very high because you are already at an SNR area. Okay?
Yeah.
So that is momentum at SNR area. And you will see it play out again and again in so many markets. You even see it a lot in OTC markets.
Okay.
So let's do momentum in the middle of the trend. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Now, momentum in the middle of the trend, like I said, there are two types of trends. There's a momentum trend and there is a normal trend. Now, when I say momentum trend, what do I mean by that? I'm talking about a trend where there is a lot of strength. For instance, look at this trend. From here to here, there is no single seller here. No seller's candle.
Yeah. Yeah.
Although there are seller activities, but there is no seller's candle. This shows the power of buyers. So in this type of a trend, if you see a momentum candle, you just go with the next candle.
Okay.
And this is a momentum candle. The next candle will go up. Very simple.
Okay.
In a momentum trend, the moment you see a momentum candle, the next candle will go up. You are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, all of them doing, then momentum, then the next one will go up. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is what to do. That's how to undo momentum in a momentum trend. It's also similar to this one. We are seeing 1, 2, this is a momentum trend. Then the next candle. Now, when I say a normal trend, I'm talking about a trend like this, to this level, where you are seeing buyers, sellers, sellers, buyer, sellers, buyer, 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 seller, buyer, buyer. This is a normal trend. A normal trend is a trend where you see both buyers and sellers in the same competing in that market. So in such a scenario, you don't go with the next candle. That's it.
Sorry, repeat that, say please.
I said in such a scenario, you don't go with the next candle immediately.
In a scene.
Have a normal trend like this.
Yeah.
Normal trend is where you see buyers and sellers together in the same trend. When
Okay.
you see a momentum candle in this place, you don't go with the next candle the way you go here in this normal trend.
When there's a momentum. Okay.
Yeah. In the momentum trend, you go with the next candle because it's already a momentum trend. Okay, but in a normal trend, you don't go with the next candle immediately. So let's look for an example. Okay. Buyers, 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 seller, buyers, 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 momentum. So you don't go because this is like a normal trend. You already seen sellers in between. Then what you do is you wait for an opposite candle like this. That candle
Sorry,
must.
can you repeat this place again? This place again? Just refresh it, please.
I said this is a normal trend
Mm.
where you see buyer, 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 then you see seller in between. Okay.
Yeah.
So then you now see buyers again. In a moment, in a situation like this, you don't go with sellers and buyers immediately. You go with buyers after the next candle. So the next candle must give you a sign for you to go. And the first sign it will give you is that it's going to be, most times, it's going to be an opposite candle. If you are seeing a green candle, the next candle most times will be red. But it will give you a new high. Okay? Hello?
Yeah.
It will give you a new high. It will give you a new high. That new high shows the power of this momentum. Then a lot of times there will be a rejection from under like this. So after you have seen that, then you go with the next candle. You understand it?
Yes, sir.
When you see momentum candle like this, wait for the next candle to form. When the next candle forms, it will give you a new high to that momentum candle because you want
Mm.
to buy. Then under it, a lot of times there will be rejection. Okay? But even if there is no rejection, as long as it doesn't make a new low, okay, it must make a new high. Then after the close, you go with the next candle. This is the difference between the momentum in a momentum trend and momentum in a normal trend. Are you there? Hello? Hello? No, sir. Yeah, fine, sir. You just have to pardon me. How are you, sir? I'm in God's hands. Because presently right now, I'm out of the church again. So that I can take care of myself. I wasn't in church, so I wasn't in church for a few days. And, trying to still pick your person.
From the way you talk, I pray that the Lord will hear you.
Yes, sir.
I pray that the Lord will hear you. Just that I've been so busy and it's rough business because of the order of the order. It affected us here very so much,